form request. Okay, so let's continue in 5 minutes. So when and where you talk part, your hobby or sports?
When and where you talk
Part.
about.
Yes.
Just a minute. Talk about.
Chat. When and where you talk part?
Just
When? During
just
the
a minute. Also talk about. I don't know. It's in your my blog one.
Who took part with you? With your friends, right?
This is my friend. It took part with me.
Okay, one more things about the experience. Did you enjoy, right?
Yeah, I read your experience.
Yes, when we have sports, we really enjoy when we play games, right? So
Right.
this is that noun suffixes. So please write also in this in your notebook so that you can review because it makes more difficult for the next time. Okay? What is
Okay.
that? Please read letter A. That is a noun. That is noun suffixes.
We sometimes add means iron and accent to make now from words. Around
Again, that is arrange.
Arrange. Arrangement.
Yes, arrangement. Converse.
Conversation.
Yes.
Description.
Description.
We sometimes ask need to make now from adjective. Sad, sadness. Happy, happiness. With some now year old years group. Your small child is spelling. Example, this description and happiness.
Yes. Okay, so please remember that sometimes add meant I-U-N action, the ion and the Asian, then we have the ness and the happiness. Okay, so now look through the text and find nouns formed from the verbs and adjectives which have a changed spelling. Okay, can you do it? Fine. Which have a changed spelling. Okay, I will give you because it is already time.
Okay.
Okay, example, we have treatment, right? Oh, see? What else? Fine.
It's water, right?
Find another.
Permission.
Yes, that's a very good. Permit and permission. Next. Fine.
Sickness. Homesickness. Homesickness.
Yes, homesickness, and that is homesick. Okay,
Homesick.
another.
Preparation.
Preparation.
No. Yes, preparation.
And that is?
Organization.
Repair. Okay, very good. What else?
Organization.
What is organization? That is?
Organize.
Organize. Okay, very good. Please don't forget that. Next.
Accommodation.
Accommodation. So what is in the accommodation?
Accommodate.
Accommodate. Okay, very good. One more.
Darkness.
What?
Darkness.
Darkness. Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's very good. So dark, we have darkness. Is there another?
Donation.
Yes,
Donation.
donation, and that is donate. Is there another one more?
Achievement.
Achievement. Wow, very good. You get perfect. So what is achievement? Achieve, and then achievement. Oh, okay. So now next, let's continue with this. Make nouns from the verbs and adjectives. Use the correct suffixes meant, ion, ation, and ness. Use a dictionary to help you. Okay, what is that? Number one, advertise.
Advertise.
Advertisement.
Advertisement. Yes.
Okay, very good. Rude.
Rules. Rudeness.
Rudeness. Okay, inform.
Informer. Sure.
Information. Okay.
Information.
Suggest.
Suggest. Suggest. Iron. Suggest.
Suggestion. Suggestion. Okay, very good. Fit.
Fitness. Fitness.
Yes. Argue.
Argument.
Argument. Okay, discuss.
Discussion.
Discussion. Very good. Explain.
Explain. Explain answer.
Explanation. Okay. Again, how to read this? Look.
Advertisement.
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 Another, I know. Please listen again. Advertisement.
Advertisement.
Advertisement. Advertisement.
Advertisement.
Okay, very good. Rudeness. Next, information.
Information. Technology.
Suggestion.
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 Fitness.
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 Okay. Argument.
Argument.
Discussion.
Discussion.
Explanation.
Explanation.
Very good. So what is that? Number one, just try your answer. Just choose advertisement, rudeness, information, suggestion, fitness, argument, discussion, and explanation. So can you give me some blank about trains?
Yes, we.
You don't know? Okay, let's answer.
Yes, I don't know. Like.
Okay, please read number 1 until number 8. Up to number 8.
Number 1. Can you give me information about trains?
Number 2.
Number 2. I saw a TV advertisement for some great football balls. I think I will buy some. Number 3. Fitness. It is important if you want to stay healthy. Number 4. My brother and I had a terrible argument yesterday. I still isn't sticking to me. Number 5. It's class today. I had discussion about their alcohol and drugs. Number 6. I was surprised at just rudeness. He upset a lot of people.
Number 7.
7. Can I make a suggestion? Let's go out for dinner today.
Tonight.
Tonight. Number 8. Our teacher told us how to do your calculation, but I didn't understand her explanation.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time today. Please don't forget to study, okay?
Okay, goodbye.
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 Oh.